first thing I guess first thing I should do is finish pushing this dirt here. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the wire loose off of this board real quick. I'll try not to be very long. And then take this board off and then knock this board and that board down there off of this post. And move those two strawberry pots out of the way, strawberry tires. And we're going to try to get another post today. So let's see if I can do it. What have I done here? We'll just cut that. Well, it's not going to come off that easy, is it?
Hammer time.
If I can find my hammer. Another one bites the dust. All right, let's move this. Got to get the wheelbarrow over here in the rake. Let's see if I can lift this up. Oh. That was much smarter, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
that. Well, that didn't work like I thought it would.
It's too old.
So I have to do it the hard way. Ready for this?
Yep.
And this one's really crooked.
It's a tall board.
Look how crooked that is.
Yep. Pretty crooked. Time, rain, wind.
That's it. Whoa.